when you're finished working with the VIVE Pro, you're now ready to clean and store it. So what you're going to do first is take off the VIVE headset. And what you'll notice right away is you're probably sweating a little bit on the forehead. And some of that sweat likely got onto the foam inserts of the VIVE Pro headset. So the best thing to do here is you're going to take a wipe that will be located at your station. And once you take out the wipe here, you'll want to make sure that it's not too wet as you really briefly just wipe the sweat off of the foam inserts. Once you do that, you'll also want to take the lens cleaner that's located here, no liquid of course, and wipe smudge off of the lenses here. And you can wipe smudge off the lenses even before use if you want to make sure that the image that you're seeing is clear. Once you're done, we're going to store it right here on the hook. And then we're going to turn off the headset by locating your dongle again, and then just pressing the blue button and making sure that the light is off. At this point, you'll also want to store the VIVE controllers. So you'll want to take your wipes and also wipe off the VIVE controllers, especially the buttons, because you're probably touching the buttons quite a bit, and the grips too, because you're probably touching the grips as well. So I'm going to do that to both of my controllers. Okay. And then you'll also want to plug in your controllers and then store them back up on the wall.